Good morning, children. Last class we have seen about plant tissue and their types. Yes, are you remembering? So just we can recall about that. So tissue means a group of cells that are similar in structure. They will work together to achieve a particular function. Yes. So plant tissue or two types. They are meristematic tissue and permanent tissue, isn't it? So today we are going to see about animal tissues. So animal tissues example is blood and muscular tissue. Okay, so blood and muscles are examples of tissues which is found in our body. Blood is an connective tissue. Muscle contains muscular tissue. Okay, so these are the some of common example of tissue which is found in human body. Now we can see types of animal tissues. So animal tissues are classified into four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Okay, so now we are going to see elaborately about epithelial tissue. Okay, so what are the four types of animal tissues? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. So what is meant by epithelial tissue? It is a protective or covering tissue. Okay, epithelial tissues are covering or protective tissue in the animal body. So epithelium covers most organs and cavities within the body. So most of the organs and cavities are covered by the epithelium. It is called as protecting or covering tissue. So it is forming a barrier to keep different body systems separate. Okay, so it is protecting, it is acting as a protective barrier and keep the different body system separate. So example for the epithelial tissue are skin contains epithelial tissue, then lining of the mouth, lining of blood vessels, lung alveoli and kidney tubules are made of epithelial tissue. So skin is formed by epithelial tissue, lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, lung alveoli and kidney tubules are made of epithelial tissue. So epithelial tissues are tightly packed tissues and they form a continuous sheet. They have a small amount of cementing material between them and there is no intercellular space between the epithelial tissue. As I have told, they are tightly packed and form a continuous sheet and there is no intercellular spaces. Now we can see about types of epithelial tissue. So epithelial tissues are classified as simple squamous epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, ciliated columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, glandular epithelium. Okay, so there are 5 types of epithelial tissue. They are simple squamous epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, ciliated columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium and glandular epithelium. Okay, so these are the 5 types of epithelial tissue. Let us see briefly about this epithelial tissue in this class. So first type of epithelium tissue is simple squamous epithelium. So These epithelial tissues are simple and they are flat, thin, and they have delicate lining. So example for simple squamous epithelium are the cells lining blood vessels. Okay, so the tissue which is presenting in the lining of blood vessel, then lung alveoli, then the tissue present in esophagus and lining of the mouth contain this simple squamous epithelium tissue. Next type of epithelial tissue is stratified squamous epithelium. So these tissues are arranged in pattern of layers. Example, skin. So we know skin, there is a layer, different layers in the skin, yes, which is protecting our body. So skin epithelial cells are arranged in many layers. Why they are arranged in many layers? In order to prevent wear and tear. So once you are getting hurt, suddenly blood will not come because the skin contains many layers. It is formed of stratified epithelial tissue. Okay, so stratified means layered. Okay, stratified means what? Layered. So the tissue which is forming skin is arranged in many layers, so it is called as stratified squamous epithelium. Now next type of epithelium is ciliated columnar epithelium. So third type is ciliated columnar epithelium. It is present in the inner lining of the intestine. So what is the inner lining, or what is the function of inner lining of intestine? You have studied in 8th standard itself. So the inner lining of the intestine help for the absorption and it also secrete the intestinal juice. As so the ciliated columnar epithelium, it is present in the inner lining of the intestine where absorption of food and secretion of intestinal juice take place. It facilitates movement across the epithelial tissue. In respiratory tract, these columnar tissue have cilia. So what is meant by cilia? It is a hair-like projections on the outer surface of the epithelial cells. Okay, so cilia is the hair-like projection which is found on the outer surface of the epithelial cells. So cilia will move and facilitate the movement of mucus to clear the mucus from the particular place. Okay, so the cilia will move and their movement pushes the mucus forward to clear it. So next type of epithelium is cuboidal epithelium. So cuboidal epithelium are cube-shaped cells. It forms the lining of kidney tubules and ducts of salivary glands. Okay, so this cuboidal epithelium or cube-shaped cells, so only it is named as cuboidal epithelium, and it forms the lining of kidney tubules and ducts of salivary gland. So what is the function of cuboidal epithelium? It provides mechanical support. So here you can see the structure of simple cuboidal epithelium. So it is cube shaped cells. It contains nucleus, cytoplasm and basement membrane. Next, last type of epithelial tissue is glandular epithelium. So epithelial cells acquire additional specialization as glands. Okay, so these glandular epithelium can secrete secretions. So Glandular epithelium means a portion of epithelial tissue. They will fold inward and they will form a multicellular gland. So their main function is secretion. So I hope that. So here you can see the structure of glandular epithelium. So I hope that you all understand about 5 types of epithelium tissue. So next class we can see about connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. If you have any doubt, children, please you can ask to me, and I have sent notes through WhatsApp. Please copy the notes and read. Thank you, children.